What is going on, guys? My name is UnlimitedCop and welcome back to the 6th episode of Life of a Sneaker Reseller. Not really too much to say, guys. As you guys know, I like to keep the intros pretty short. This is definitely going to be a really good episode, guys. If you do enjoy, please be sure to leave a like down below and hit the subscribe button for more content. Without any further ado, guys, I hope you do enjoy. Alright, boys, so we're about to cop these Kobe 5s. Off foot like right now, hopefully. Not really too sure how it's going to go. I've actually been able to hit the past 3 releases, though, as you guys saw the last episode. If you haven't seen that, go watch it. 40 seconds. Okay, here we go, boys. Let's see how this goes. Alright, good luck, boys. Let's see what we can do here. Adding to cart. Banned. Queued. Queued. Waiting for restock. And queue. Oh, enter sneakers. Who said that? Vinyls, I love you. Hopefully I can hit on sneakers. That'd be wild. What was my last sneakers hit? Let's see. The last thing I hit on sneakers. Okay, it was the Zion Williams. But still. The last hype thing was the Court Purples. Adding to cart. That's about as close as we're getting right now. This is not looking good. Getting cookie. Sold out. Love to see it. I'm probably gonna stop task in a second. Oh, I got one. I got one. Let's go. Foot Locker, yeah. I hit with something. What did I hit with? Let's go, dude. These DCs are crazy. I literally have not missed with these DC proxies. Where did I just hit? I hit. It has to be a Toby, right? I have not missed with these DC proxies. Yeah, I hit. I hit a size 13. These data center proxies are insane. Omni proxies DCs, the turbo DCs, literally nuts, dude. They're insane. But if you guys are interested, follow our Twitter whenever we stock DCs. Rezzies are in stock right now. They're good, but the DCs are even crazier. Alright, guys, so it's about 15 minutes to the union drop. Not too sure how this is gonna go. I've heard some rumors that it might be raffle, it might be first come first serve. It's definitely gonna be a shit show. So we'll just have to see what happens. Alright, boys. Yeah, I don't think it'll be raffle. I don't think it will be first come first serve. Hopefully we can do something here. The last union drop went pretty well for me. I got 2 pairs. Let's see if we can't do something else. Alright, it's 12. -1. Nothing happening yet. Oh, here we go, here we go. What the f? What color? Yeah, definitely a question. God damn. So hard captures. Jesus. Yeah, boss gonna have a hard time. Okay, I'm checking out, guys. I'm checking out. Fire hydrant. Go. Go, 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 go. Getting shipping rates. Go. Getting shipping rates. Getting shipping rates. Credit card. Credit card. Checking out. No! No, processing. 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 Please. Thank you. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Finally, got one. Holy shit. Thank God, dude. I would have been pissed if I didn't get one. Yeah, bots are not working. But I don't think any bots have worked. Let me see if people are doing on Cyber. Yeah, nobody's copped on Cyber. Alright guys, so I have a couple of packages here. The first one, I believe, is from Supreme. So I copped the, what was it? Like the deck of cards, like manually. Which when I first copped, I was a little unsure about them. But I was checking StockX the other day and they were at like $60, $70. And I paid like 30 bucks, so that wasn't bad at all. Not really too much to it, guys, just a deck of cards here. And then I got some camo stickers, it looks like. Pretty cool stickers, actually. Yo, it would be dope if we saw a box logo with this camo. That'd be fire. And then obviously the gloves is like the gift or whatever. Not really too much to it. This little pack of cards. I mean, probably gonna hold on to these. They're kind of cool. I don't know, I might throw them up there on the shelf. Take them out the box here. Not really too much to say. Definitely look cool. So the next box we have is definitely a lot bigger. I believe this is a Yeezy. I think I have like 8 or 9 pairs in right now. So this is either my 9th or my 10th. Not too sure yet. So this is a size 6. Not too much to it. Definitely look pretty cool. Nice colorway. I was definitely impressed with how they looked in hand. But now guys, I'm about to take some of these pairs of 350s to 10 toes. Then I'm gonna stop at my local Target, see if they have these like little cards things. I don't know, I'll explain it better in the car. But that's pretty much what's happening right now. But I'm about to go pick up Kaylee. We're about to head to Target and then head to the mall.
Hi, babe.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Hey, Cooper.
You look cute.
We went in Target. We walked around for literally like 5-10 minutes looking for these cards. I asked the worker and she said they don't know if they have them, and if they're not in the aisle, they don't have them. I don't know, it was a weird situation. So it's coming out as an L. I don't know, I'll probably have to look online or something to see. So we're at the mall now. I have some shoes to consign and I'm gonna pick up some stuff from Cam. Probably should have brought something so I can...
Like your bag?
Yeah.
Like last time?
Yeah.
Your little bag?
So we just got out the mall. I consigned, I think 5 pairs of those new Yeezys. I'm not really too sure how to pronounce them. Then I got back one of my pairs of linens. I'm probably just gonna hold it a little longer. Just like the intro, guys, I'm gonna be keeping this pretty short. I hope you guys did enjoy this episode. I'm UnlimitedCop, and I'm out.
I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really about to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumble.